Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get Discord token. So in this case, you have to log in from your web browser. I mean Chrome browser. Just log in to your discord.com from your Chrome browser. Then you can see here three dot icon, which is top right corner. Click on this, and you'll find more tools. Here, more tools. Go to developer tools. After clicking more tools, you'll find this pop up a small window. Then click on developer tools. After going developer tools, you can see here local storage. Under the local storage, here your discord.com link. So click on this ons, and then you'll find here one thing, which is toggle device toolbar. Click on this toggle device toolbar. If you just click ons, if you click ons, it will be like this. Okay, the screen will be like this. Then you can see here filter option. Click on this filter option and write token. After writing token, you can see here the token is here, MZ, this one. So this is your Discord token. Okay, you can copy it. Just double click and right click of your mouse and copy it. So guys, this is how you can see token from your Discord. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.